Greetings to all you world history enthusiasts and to all the ships at sea. Time for another Potter Pickford newsreel. Dateline World War II, USA. Before World War II, most women worked at typical female jobs, or as homemakers, like Susie here. See how proud and happy Susie is to work for her family and keep her home clean?
When I come home at night, she will be waiting. She'll be the truest doll in all this world. I'd rather have a paper doll to call my own than have a...
And here's Nancy making a tasty meal for her family.
I guess I had $1 million or more.
Sure smells good, Nancy.
I played it all game o'er and over.
A woman's work is never done. Susie here sure works hard keeping her family's home clean. That vacuum sure looks heavy, Susie.
Just like all dolls do. I'll tell you, boys, it's tough to be alone. And it's tough to love a doll that's not your own.
Women are thrifty and good with fine detailed work. See Nancy making her family clothes by hand? She's saving her family money. Nice work, Nancy.
I'm gonna do a paper doll that I can call my own. A doll that other fellows cannot steal. And then the flirty, flirty guys with their flirty, flirty eyes will have to flirt with dolls.
Women are blissful taking care of their domestic duties. But things are about to change.
She'll be the truest doll in all this world.
December 7th, 1941, Pearl Harbor, a day that has gone down in infamy. America goes to war. The men go overseas, leaving their women behind, and many important jobs vacant. Jobs which we need filled to help win the war. And who steps up to the plate? The women. Rosie the Riveter. How's about a picture, girls?
The Riveter keeps a sharp lookout for sabotage, sitting up there on the fuselage. That little frail can do more than a man can do. Rosie.
Here's Nancy, and she's ready to work.
Charlie, he's a Marine. Rosie is protecting Charlie.
And here's Susie, getting the job done, just as well as any man could do.
She was as proud as a girl could be. There's something true about red, white, and blue about Rosie the Riveter.
As husbands are fighting overseas, the women are building the equipment they need to win the war. Here's Susie and Nancy again, working hard. You can do it. We call them Rosie the Riveters, though they aren't all named Rosie, and they aren't all riveters.
Rosie the Riveter, Rosie, 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 working on assembly line.
Rosie told them that they could do it. And they did.
Rebe boy, Rebe boy, Rebe. Rosie, Rosie, Rosie the Riveter on the assembly